Dear students, today in this class we have to learn about diamond. So diamond, so first one diamond, the first point is diamond is it is the one of the allotrope of carbon. Diamond, it is one of the allotropes of the carbon. Second one, we know that carbon has many allotropes: diamond, graphite, C60, and Buckminster-Fuller, etc. So out of allotropes of carbon, it is the one of the diamond is the one of the allotrope. So second one, in diamond carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. Carbon undergoes, so diamond లో కార్బన్ అనేది sp3 hybridization లో it undergoes sp3 hybridization. In diamond carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. We know that carbon atomic number 6, so electronic configuration helium 1s2 2s2 2p2, so ground state. So in excited state helium 2s2 2s1 2p3. This is excited state. So in diamond carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. That means one s orbital intermixed with 3p orbitals. So one s orbital intermixed with 3p orbitals, it forms 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. So between the sp3 hybrid orbitals, that means a chain bondage or link bondage is formed. So to break this link bonds or chain bonds, huge amount of energy required. So at ordinary temperatures, at ordinary conditions, this type of this amount of energy is not available. So diamond acts as hardest material in the universe. So diamond, so it undergoes sp3 hybridization. So simple structure is one carbon, second carbon. So simply say 1 2. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, so these are carbon atom 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is the internal structure of the diamond. So in diamond one carbon links to another carbon atom. So in diamond one carbon links to another carbon due to the links. So this linkage bond between sp3 hybrid orbitals is very strong, so is very hot. So at ordinary temperatures, to break this or to dissociate this linkage bonds, huge amount of energy required. So this type of structure, no any other material has no this type of structure, that is a diamond. So diamond acts as hardest material in the universe. Hardest material in the universe. So we know that when light falls on diamond, diamond shines. So because why diamond shines? Diamond shines when light falls on, because when light falls on diamond, it shines due to reflection of light. Due to reflection of light. Next, in diamond, C dash C bond length is 1.54 angstrom units, and we know that hybridization is sp3. So in diamond hybridization of carbon is sp3. Next, bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. Next, C dash C bond length 1.54 angstrom units. Next, so the quantity of diamond generally is calculated in carats. So the diamond weight is the diamond of quantity expressed in carat. 1 carat is equal to 200 milligrams of diamond. So the world famous diamond, Kohinoor, present it is in 183 carats. So the world famous diamond Kohinoor is 183 carat. So next one, we know that when light falls on, so question is, when light falls on diamond, it shines why? Diamond में the light पर, when diamond falls on light, when light falls on diamond, it shines. Why? Answer is due to reflection of light. So and also the question is, diamond is hardest material. Why? Diamond is hardest material in universe. Why? The answer is it has strong linkage bonds. It has strong linkage bonds between carbon atoms. No other substance has no such type of structure. So diamond acts as hardest material in the universe. So let me explain about uses of the diamond. Uses of diamond. First one, as a glass cutter. As a glass cutter. Second one, as a precious stone in jewelry. Third one, in the preparation of graphite. So when diamond heated 2000 degrees centigrade, it's converted as graphite. When graphite cooled to 2000 degrees centigrade cool, it converts as diamond. Next, fourth one, to make holes in hard stones. So to make holes in hard stones. So these are the uses of diamond: as a glass cutter, as a precious stone in jewelry, the preparation of graphite. When diamond heated to 2000 degrees centigrade, it converts as graphite. When graphite cooled 2000 degrees centigrade, converts as diamond to make holes in the hard stones.